Dear brothers and sisters, today we gather with the information of increasing our knowledge and understanding of Islam, a beautiful faith based on guidance, mercy, and compensation. We begin by seeking the blessings of Allah and asking for His guidance in our journey to seek knowledge, which is considered an act of worship in itself. The Prophet ﷺ, peace be upon him, said seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. This emphasizes the importance of learning, reflecting, and implementing the teachings of Islam in our daily lives. As we dwell into today's lecture, let us keep our hearts up on the wisdom of the Quran and the Sunnah. May Allah grant us the understanding that brings us closer to Him, and may He make this gathering a source of benefit for all. Ameen. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam, known as Nuh in biblical tradition, is one of the revered prophets in Islam. He was sent by Allah to guide His people who had strayed into idol worship and disobedience. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam is known for his unwearying patience, steadfastness, and dedication in calling his people to the path of Allah. The mission of Hazrat Nuh al-Islam. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam preached the message of monotheism, Tawheed, for 950 years as mentioned in the Quran, and we certainly sent Nuh al-Islam to his people, and he remained among them 1,000 years less 50 years. Then the flood seized them while they were wrongdoers. Suratul Ankabut 29 verses 14. Despite his lengthy efforts, only a small group of people accepted his message. His people ridiculed him, ignored his warnings, and continued in their disobedience. The construction of the ark. When his people persisted in their rejection, Allah commanded Hazrat Nuh al-Islam to build an ark. This ark was meant to save those who believe, along with pairs of animals, from the impending punishment, a great flood, and construct the ship under our observation and our inspiration, and do not address me concerning those who have wronged. Indeed, they are to be drowned. Suratul Hud. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam obeyed Allah's command and built the ark despite the mockery of his people. When the flood arrived, only those who believed in Allah and bowed that the ark were saved. His own son, who refused to believe, was among those who perished in the flood, demonstrating that no one is above Allah's decree. A lesson in patience and faith. The story of Hazrat Nuh al-Islam serves as a powerful reminder of patience in the face of adversity and unwearying trust in Allah's wisdom. His life is an example of how a believer should remain steadfast even when facing immense challenges. So be patient. Indeed, the promises of Allah is truth. Surah Ar-Rum, ayat number 30. Surah 30, ayat number 60. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam mission teaches us that guidance comes from Allah, and it is our duty to spread the message of truth, even if the results are not immediate. The outcome is always in Allah's hands, and we are required to do our part with sincerity and trust in Him. May we learn from the patience, prevents, and faith of Hazrat Nuh al-Islam and follow in the path of righteousness. Ameen.